What sound? Because the kick's very individual to the genre that you're producing, isn't it? So what sound should they
Okay,
be
for
aiming
disco,
for?
disco would be a live drum kick, opposed to a house type genre would be more of the 909 kick or 808, which is from Roland.
Okay.
But that's what categorized under acoustic kick.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
And this is an acoustic kick. If you look at a drum kit, you know, I know most people seen actual live drum kits. The bigger the bass drum, the more of a deeper sound you're gonna get. So in this case, I tend to find somebody's kit with a large bass drum. For the time being, I'm gonna take this bass, mute the bass. I'm gonna work on the kick on as well. I'm gonna bring up the same compressor again for the kick. So we can get that kick. Watch how I make it robust. So I'm gonna use the same compressor, a DBX 16 VCA that you could find. You could find these plugins around. Some of them are on Waves, and some are sold. You can actually buy it separately. Okay, so if you don't know, you can use their guide. So since the bass drum, we'll try a bass drum. So I'm showing you from an easy perspective. See how I brought the tap out? Now I'm gonna bypass it. Makes it sound muffled without it. And without it bypassed. And that's just from their compression set, and then you can adjust, and then you can even squash it where it starts to take the tap out of it. Some people like the tap sound for a kick. G channel.
Lenny, are there any go-to plugins that you'd recommend for people just starting out?
Sure. Plugin Alliance has a ton of plugins.
Yes. Yeah, I'll put that in the chat.
Waves. And you can buy them $29 or 15 pounds and pick up a couple of compressors, some EQs. They have, especially now with this pandemic, they're running all kinds of specials, believe me.
Yeah, sure.
I'm also going to add another SSL G channel to that bass. And we're going to adjust that bass too so that you can actually hear those strings along with that kick. And again, there's so many thousands of EQs. There's tube EQs. There's all kinds of EQs, but I'm just doing this as simple as I can keep it right now because I don't want to confuse all of you. There we go, SSL G channel through Waves. Okay, so here is the bass stem. So make sure we untake that out, play the bass. Let's load up a bass EQ. Now, one thing about the bass, where the kick, we concentrating on the low frequency. We want to go in there and get the low mid frequency and bring that out and some of the high mid frequency of the strings, okay? Because in disco, you have a live bass sound and you want to hear those strings and the fingering. that's with it, and I'll bypass it. Now it sounds like the volume drop, which you're probably saying, well, the volume drop, but you're also hearing more of the fingering with the EQ. So when I unbypass it, reactivate it, you'll hear it clearer. And again, you gotta dial in and listen. You have to listen.
Hi, this is Roger Sanchez.
Hi, this is Lenny Fontana.
Hey guys, this is Jackie.
Hi guys, Amador here.
Hi, I'm Paul Maddox.
This is Satek.
Hi, this is Kyle V, and you're watching
Mixmasters TV,
Where you can access world-class producers in your studio
Every single day.